Crabby Bill here. Just got to the beach. Beautiful. Good morning. Crabby's hard at work over there mopping the floors, and she knows I was just going to walk past there. Didn't really do much filming this week. Got a lot done though. A lot of small things like a fresh coat of paint on the moldings. Young man from the Coast Guard took the old furniture, and the new furniture is here. Just have to get some other odds and ends. We're waiting for Stephen and Mia to get here now. And we're going to hang some things on the walls. Hey now, should put a picture of him up there. And decorate the place a bit. I guess they still need another recliner. Some tables. Crabby is currently mopping the floors. There has been so much dust. Crabby has Swiffered, is that how you say it? Swiffered the floors probably 6 times. It's blurry. 6 times. And now is going over them with a damp rag, trying to get the last of it up. The moldings came out great. Let's take a peek. Look at them corners, huh? Look at them corners. Crabby's been a big help. The fresh coat of paint on all the trim looks great. Just need to get some colors in here, some decorating, and we're waiting for Stephen and Mia to pull up. They're not that far away. I'm going to make this chair mine. We'll check back. Okay, here they come. Okay, here they come. Welcome to me and Steven's beach house.
Wow! Well, it looks like a beach house now. They're so beautiful. Do you like that?
Yes, I do.
Wow! Oh, it looks so good.
Wow.
You guys did such a good job.
I caught you so off guard with that.
Yeah.
It looks really
Yeah,
nice.
it's really good.
Okay.
Yeah. And now we're gonna go to Home Goods. And
Oh boy. That's
who knows?
Crabby's favorite place. When we were doing the cabin, I think she was there 3 days a week.
And we have a painting in the car.
Nice.
That we put up right now.
Yeah, cool.
Of oysters.
Okay. We'll get it hung while you guys are shopping. We will check back.
How about right here?
Let me get some light on this for you.
So I bought something else that I think I might want to put there.
Okay. Well,
I'll show you what it is.
I'll just.
I'll show you.
I'll just not. Just go put it back. Right
This.
Cute.
So I think that
Overruled!
Listen,
this thing.
tell him, stop rushing me.
Stop rushing me.
I just wanted to be helpful.
You be helpful when she's ready.
Stop trying, Steve. Just sit here and keep our mouths shut. This is all that was accomplished. I'm going to have to turn the camera so you can see it. That's it. That's what was accomplished.
Today was more of a.
Look at them.
It's a pretty big deal.
It's fact finding.
Yeah, it was
Fact
more.
finding.
And we moved this. We lowered. How many times I bumped my head on it thinking I was going to knock myself out again? We changed cabinets there, and it lowered the TV to the perfect countertop height.
This way.
I liked it better when the TV was there. Oh.
We measured wall space for potential wall art. And over there too. And we measured floor space for a rug.
6,000 rugs. They couldn't find what they'd like.
We found a chair on Walmart.com.
How about that?
It's gonna go right here.
Right here in this empty spot right here? This spot here. Nothing. Where there's nothing?
Where there's nothing.
Okay.
I think it was a productive day.
She needed to
Visualize.
see the actual
I needed
space
to be in
able
the environment. Just feel it out.
Stephen and Mia's beach house.
And it's looking really cool.
And the load of stuff heading to the dump is building. It's getting bigger by the minute.
Yes.
All right. Hello? 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 I thought we were supposed to be doing projects. Where'd they all go?